Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to set up Amazon seller notifications. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we're going to guide you on how to set up Amazon seller notifications to stay on top of your business activities. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're in, hover your mouse over the Settings option in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Notification Preferences. This will take you to the Notification Preferences page where you can adjust your settings according to your needs. Here, you can manage different types of notifications, including account notifications, emergency notifications, order notifications, returns, claims, and recovery notifications, listing notifications, reports, Amazon Selling Coach notifications, Amazon Business notifications, messaging marketing notifications, Amazon Lending notifications, pricing and offer notifications. Each category allows you to tailor the notifications you receive, ensuring you only get the information that's most relevant to you. For example, you can choose to receive notifications about new orders, returns, and important account updates, which helps you respond promptly and manage your business efficiently. Simply check or uncheck the boxes next to each notification type to customize your preferences. This flexibility allows you to streamline your workflow and focus on what matters most to your business. Regularly reviewing and updating your notification preferences can keep you informed about critical updates and help you stay proactive in managing your Amazon store. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching.